Kavatvam by Kalarpan. Kali, the fierce and divine energy born from the combined powers of Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, rises to overcome evil and restore balance. The dancers embody her strength and intensity, performing to high energy, fast-paced music with sharp movements and dynamic formations that capture her ultimate form of Adishakti, a Kautum where devotion and dynamism meet. In many traditions, Kali is understood as Shiva's own Shakti, his power, his movement, his time. Without Shakti, Shiva is inert. Without Shiva, Shakti has no ground, no witness. Together, Kali and Shiva are not two separate beings, but one reality seen in two ways: stillness and storm, depth and wave, consciousness and its ever-blazing power. Performers Tanya Chandran, Amrita Manayal, Anjali Regi, Vidna Sendil, Dayashri Selvakumar, Himani Shankar and Nisha Vamadevan.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्द्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्य कपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्य कपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्य कपर्दिनि शैलसुते Patanjali Vyagramar Mendabe Nandita Tomyana Naradar Padabe Virumbiya Patanjali Vyagramar Mendabe Nandita Tomyana Naradar Padabe Chandiranum Suriyanum Bandam Pagirndida Bharatavage Nuttattu Tadavagayagabe Chandiranum Suriyanum Bandam Pagirndida Bharatavage Nuttattu Tadavagayagabe Duritamudan Ilakaguru Kulitamudan Kaakapan Dim Dimita Dimi Dimita Dimi Dimita Tam Tam Dim Dimita Dimi Dimita Dimi Dimita Tam Tam Sheshanudan Kandada Manavaram Kondada Illai Manradiya Tirunilai Kavupam Sheshanudan Kandada Manavaram Kondada Illai Manradiya Tirunilai Kavupam Tam Takita Thagir Takita Tum Takita Nam रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै